how to add routines widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, click on Lock Screen. If you want to add routine widget to lock screen, and click on Add Widgets. After click on Add Widgets, scroll down and you will see Modes and Routines is here. Click on Modes and Routines. So if you want to add routines widgets, so you will select small and large widgets and click on widget. After click on widget, click on Start and you will see. After the process, click on Done and you will see routine widget is add on lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add the routine widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.